Hi guys! Welcome back to my podcast. So for today's topic or for today's pag-uusapan natin kung paano naaapektuhan yung classroom assessment and evaluation ngayong new normal. So, quick question. Sino na dito yung nag-online quiz tas biglang naglalag? Or mas malala, nag-brown out? Kasi ako medyo madalas ko siyang nararanasan. So, one time nga, first online exam ko pa nangyari. So, grabe, panic mode. Doon ko na-realize, grabe talaga yung epekto ng new normal sa ating assessment. So, dati, teacher can easily see kung sino yung attentive sa class. Pero now, kailangan nilang mag-adjust, may digital quizzes, projects, at mga online discussion. Ang problema, hindi pantay-pantay ang resources. Yung iba, walang stable wifi o tahimik na study pace. Kaya minsan, grades doesn't really show what students know. Pero on the bright side, natuto tayong maging flexible at creative. Hindi lang puro exam at marami ng ways to show learning. So ayun, assessment today isn't just about scores, kundi about empathy and innovation. Kasi sa totoo lang, lahat tayo natututo sa setup na to, hindi lang syempre tayong mga students. So, thank you for listening guys. This has been my quick reflection. Catch you next time.